Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a earthquake tiller. It's a MC43 43cc engine on it, 2-cycle. Used it last year, and they want to start tilling the garden this year that don't want to run. So hope we can get the thing running for them. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, the first thing I want to do is check the plug, make sure it ain't scored or something. Look, it's burning pretty good. Air filter is not even really that dirty. That line's all rotten on that one there. There's a big scratch on that throttle piston in there. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. There's a scratch right there. Let me grab a new one. See if the new one's like that. I'm just gonna put a new carburetor on this, so I don't trust that big scratch. Okay. Make sure the throttle's working good and everything. I mean, the thing hasn't started in a while. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 in the cylinder there. Okay, I'm gonna replace this grommet too because it's all cracked up. And when the gas gets that full, it's just gonna leak out of there. Okay, I got my new grommet here. Spray some lube on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the fuel lines in the grommet. So we wanna cut an angle. Stick it on there. Then the same with the return line. Okay, I'll probably lay this down so I can. And this the black one, that's one with the filter on it. Slowly press it in there. And there we go. I got this little pair of needle nose here. I kind of ground the ends down where it'll fit inside the fuel line. We can spread it apart a little bit. This is the return line. Well, we can add some fuel. Okay, let's push the primer bulb, and the gas will go in the black line. We'll see the gas return back to the tank in the yellow line there. See, it's getting ready to go back into the tank. So we know we got that hooked up right. So let's get a new plug in there. Push it down until it clicks. Okay. I'm gonna blow out that air filter. Put a little bit of oil on there and squeeze it out. There's tillers, that's probably the most dirtiest job for an engine there is. Okay. Wash my hands real quick and we'll try starting this thing. Switch is on. We primed it. Okay, well there you go. It's ready to go till the garden. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Appreciate you watching it. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.